Face mask, what we need is sugar. You can see sugar. This is gram flour. You need half a lemon and you need tomatoes. So like 1 tomato. So first of all, I will make the scrub. So what you need is, you need 1 teaspoon, see 1 teaspoon of sugar. To that, add 1 teaspoon almost of gram flour. Okay, mix it very well. Okay, and then you need to squeeze a lemon in it, half of a lemon, little bit. Okay, so like this, you squeeze the lemon and you take out the seeds because that's of no use, guys. Okay, and then you need to squeeze 1 tomato juice like so. So before you start squeezing it, guys, make sure your hands are clean. So this is how it is. Okay, and then you just need to mix this like so. Okay, oops, sorry. And then you need to take a tomato piece like this. Okay, take a tomato piece. On this, apply this one. And then I'm going to use this scrub on my face and show you how exactly you can use it. So like so, you have to take it on the tomato and you need to just rub it on your face in circular motions, and you need to rub it for almost 5 minutes, because only then the sugar will melt and also the juice in the tomato will help you brighten and lighten your skin, and also the gram flour and the lemon would use its bleaching properties to lighten your skin tone. So this is how I'm going to use it on my face. And make sure that you are wearing something that you wear at home, because this is a little messy process. So make sure you're comfortable and you're wearing a t-shirt or a tee that is something that you use on a regular basis, and if it stains, it's not gonna harm. So I've done the scrubbing part, and now I need to just use a damp towel. This is a damp towel to clean your face. So you can see instantly after the scrubbing is done, the face looks much brighter. I'm using natural light, guys, and you can see still it looks really brighter. Just check. Okay, so now we'll have to apply the glowing face mask, which is you need tomato pulp like this. You just need to squeeze the tomato, maybe half a tomato, with your fingers, and you need to make a pulp out of this. Then you need about 1 teaspoon of gram flour that was remaining. So this is how remaining gram flour. Okay, and then you need half a lemon. So the one that we used for the scrub, that's the same lemon I'm using here. Okay, all right, and then we need to mix it into a thick paste. Like so. You can see the thick paste. Now you need to, with the help of your fingers, you apply it all over your face like so, because you need to massage this in your skin. So you need to use your hands. So while massaging, you need to keep applying this paste. Don't forget your neck as well, guys, because this removes tan and whitens your skin. So tomato, as I've told you before, tomato has got bleaching properties which helps you reduce your tan. So just need to make sure that you apply layers on layers till the time you have a nice coating all over your face, and then you let it dry. That's what I'm doing. So this is a really messy process, guys, but I would request you guys to be aware of that and make sure that you use the most comfortable place in your house which you can actually clean in, even if it gets messy, because otherwise it is kind of messy. So you can apply it under your eyes as well so that it can remove the dark circles. It's a very, very gentle face mask, and it helps to clean the face, so you can apply it no problem at all. Okay. So you can see it's almost nicely covered on your face. Okay, now I'm gonna leave it like this for about good 10 minutes so that it can dry, and as it will dry, it will actually help you remove all those dark circles, the spots, and if you use it regularly, you will also get rid of all those age spots, brown spots, suntan, and people suffering from PCOD like me will also get rid of the pimple marks, because you get a lot of acne and pimple and cystic pimples that you get. So that helps, this pack helps to reduce all those marks on your face. So now I have applied it all over my face like so, and I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then I will wash it off with cold water. Okay guys, always face pack, when you're washing it off, especially a kind of face pack that is with bleaching properties in it, you need to always make sure that you wash it off with cold water. Okay, so yeah. All right guys, so I've been waiting for almost like 10 minutes, and now the pack is almost dry. So with this damp towel, I'm gonna clean it like so, like this. Okay, and you can see so much is coming out, and it's actually cleaning my skin as well. Okay, all right, so you can see my skin now actually looks much better. So you can see, you can have a close look. See, even this marks are also, you know, coming down. So this is how it glows. You just need to wash it off, and then once you wash off your face or you take bath or whatever you do, post that, immediately apply the Hyalu gel that I have done a video on. I would link it below, and let me know how the effects are, because this will actually improve your skin texture in the long run if you follow it religiously, if you follow it with discipline. That that is what I have been doing for a pretty long time. I follow it religiously and with discipline, and that's how the marks on my face have actually come, actually has reduced to a lot of extent. And also I got some like stretch marks, fine lines here. I was getting wrinkles because I was not drinking proper water. So water is also the first essential thing that we need to do when you are taking care of your skin. So any skincare benefit is incomplete without you consuming, maybe 2 to 3 liters of water. So without that, your skin will never be glowing. But yes, if you are drinking water, along with that, you follow this regular regime of face mask and the natural remedies that I suggest, I can guarantee that you would see 100% results within maybe a month's time. So from the first week itself, you can see the results. And this is a pack that you can apply on every alternate days as well. So I'm giving you a lot of options, guys, because I receive a lot of requests where you say that you are not getting the turmeric powder that I recommend, or you're not getting, the previous face packs that I have included. I would like to inform you that this is one of the easiest things that you can get around your kitchen. Sugar is available, tomato is available, lemon is available, and gram flour is available. So in case if you are not getting gram flour for this particular mask, you can use any wheat flour as well. So that would still do the same, magic on your face. However, I would link the everything, all the ingredients down below in the description box, so you can go and check that out. So whatever skincare videos that I have uploaded, you can try any of them, but whichever one you are trying, you need to make sure that you follow it religiously. And this face pack, yes, you need to do it at least for a week, 3 times a week, because it is very, very nice. And if you think it's time consuming, then probably you can just try the scrub on for 3 days, and the mask only for once in a week. You will still see improvement in your skin, but the process will be little slow. But if you follow this with the mask and the scrub, then the process will be little faster. So guys, this is Sumana, and my channel is all about taking care of yourself and loving yourself and being obsessed about yourself, because if you don't love yourself, you will never be able to love anybody else. So the love starts from yourself, and that's what I want to spread it across to you guys. Thank you very much for showering the love that you guys have continuously been showering on my channel and helping me grow. Thank you so much, guys. I will sign off here this time, and we will catch up shortly, and we will catch up in... Alright, so guys, it was lovely spending time with you guys. It always gives me a pleasure whenever I share something with you guys, and you guys get immense results out of it, and you start commenting on the results that you have received. Thank you very much for that. That is a real motivation for me. And yeah, so this was me signing off now. Stay fit and healthy. Be obsessed about yourself. Love yourself. Bye-bye.